Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I'm going to show you these really cool magic books. Okay, so this one's for we're going on a bear hunt. They're in black and white as well. So you got the cover, there's the family. Then on the inside there is the main story text, okay, so the main phrases. And then we've got in the centre there all the different landscapes that the family go through to look for the bear. On the back, not very exciting, is it? But if you do this, it's a bear! So you've got the bear, you've got the family, and you pull these. Where's the bear gone? Okay, so it's a really simple book, but the kids love this, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so how can you practice the language while you're making the book? You can practice classroom language, of course. So can I have the scissors, please? Can I have blue, please? You can assign different students to different tasks. You can practice the language while you're making the book all together. So you have a big rectangle, fold it in half. It's a small rectangle, open it out, fold to the center, and make a very narrow rectangle, okay, for example, and then if you're using the colouring versions, you can dictate what images to colour and go through the grass, and then they colour the grass. You can retell the story and pause at parts for them to then complete that section of the story with their books. Reinforce the language with how you insert this. So prepositions are important in the story, so go over, go under, go over, go under. They will probably have some trouble with getting it in the right place to begin with. It's just another opportunity to practice this over-under language, and they enjoy being able to solve the puzzle. Again, afterwards, it doesn't end there, use this to exploit more language. So play a listen and point game. Go through the river, and they point to the river. Oh no, it's a bear, and they open it out and show you the bear. Go through the grass and show you the grass. Okay, so you can make it like a game. Retell the story, of course, and you can point to the different parts with the students following along. You can mix it up with throwing in "it's a bear" as well, especially if they can find it if you've got the storybook with pictures, especially the last part when they're trying to run back home. You can get that bear coming in as well, so it can be quite good fun. You've got the space in the back so they can draw their own picture. They can tell you as well if you've used different colours, so maybe they've done a red river, who knows, right? And share their different versions. Encourage them to retell the story with their families, so it's really nice for the families to know what they're learning in class, and this is a really nice record. And they can also play little games as well. the same way you would with flashcard games or mini card games where you've got guessing going on. So one student chooses a picture and the other student asks, so is it mud? No, it isn't. Is it a river? Yes, it is. Okay, and I'm sure you can think of many more yourself. And if you can, then please let me know in the topics in the comments below. All right, thank you very much. And this one is available in our Bear Hunt pack on the website. But if it's quite a simple concept, you might be able to think of ideas for magic books that you can make of your own. I can't wait to make more of these for different stories. All right, thank you.